Hey everybody, I've got an update on the Craftsman snowblower belt replacement. So let me come over here and show you what we got. So what happened is I hit a newspaper and I snapped my auger belt, which is right here. So I got on Amazon after I looked up and found the part number for it, and I bought a belt from Amazon. It's supposed to be the right size, which is a 954-0430. So what we found out, if you watch that video, what we found out is the original belt. See how skinny the belt is? Well, this is the Amazon belt. See how thick that one is? Well, that belt caused the auger not to shut off. So I did some more research and looked around, and we were at Lowe's. And look, they actually have the original equipment, Troy-Bilt MTD genuine auger belt. The right part number, a 954-0430 or a 754-0430. So let's pull this out of the package. And if you look, it is the same size as the broken belt. So it wasn't me ordering the wrong belt. The belt is actually made wrong. So you have to buy the original equipment belt, because obviously they do not know the dimensions of the original belt, and they sell you stuff like this. So now I've got the right belt and we'll be able to fix the snow blower right. So that was just a little update video that we did find out that you're gonna have to buy the actual belt. Do not do the aftermarket belts that come in plastic bags. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my and more videos, my snowblower videos. So just try to help everybody out. Buy the original equipment belts. I know they're hard to find online. You might have to actually go to like a lawnmower shop, or Lowe's and Home Depot do sell these equipment, so they might have them in stock. This is the last one that the Lowe's I went to had in stock. All right, buddy. Thanks a lot for watching.